So I got a recall letter from Winnebago for this particular year and model of a Winnebago Travato that the retractable awning needs to be repaired urgently. Apparently, sometimes when you're driving, it may deploy. Not a good thing to happen. It's taken me many months to schedule an appointment with an authorized dealer located 100 miles away. Meanwhile, Winnebago urges us to secure both ends of the awning with zip ties. That's what I'm doing next. Before I take it in for repairs, I want to make sure the awning will extend and retract. Well, it looks good. Fully extended. A little bit loose. I hope they tighten it up and make adjustments accordingly. Retract. Well, it works. Now it's time to put on the zip ties. Well, the circumference of the awning is about 24 inches. So I had to get the next size larger, 36-inch cable ties. This should do the job. You gotta take a... There, we got it. It's tough. Good. One down. Got it.